IVM.
Hi, everybody. Just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with Goa. Did you know that there is a concept called Susegad in Goa? And this is a way of life that Goa is famous for. It is this chilled, relaxed vibe, a laid-back attitude that has existed in this region. And the word Susegad comes from the Portuguese word sossegado, which means quiet. And whenever you hear people talking about Goa and what they love about it, they often refer to this feeling. It hangs heavy in the air. No one seems to be in a rush. Everyone is just hanging around, and it appears like they're doing nothing. Unfortunately, this attitude is slowly changing as the modern stresses come into the picture. Stress is affecting the quiet life. Very often for us, big city boys, the whole concept of Susegad comes off as lazy or shirking work, which it is not. And this podcast was inspired by my first day here in Goa. I'm recording this podcast from my friend's yoga shala here in Goa. And all my friends who have moved to Goa from Mumbai have been complaining about how long it takes to get anything done over here. For example, the internet guy took 5 days to come to visit after persistent phone calls. The electrician has not come and finished his job. The movers and packers forgot to come when they had to. And I'm listening to this and smiling, or rather laughing inside, because I feel there's so much of our big city life that has created an obsession with time. We're addicted to it. Clocks and timekeeping instruments are everywhere. While a certain amount of timekeeping is essential, like not being late for meetings and finishing the things we promised on time, those bits are essential for productivity and for society to grow stronger. However, when time becomes an obsession, that is when things begin to fall apart. We try to finish things faster and faster, wanting to pack more things into the little time that we have. This is the trapping of the fast life. 20 years ago, when I used to travel to small towns across the country, I kept hearing this expression from people. In Mumbai, the life is very fast. And I could not for the life of me understand what they meant. What was this fast life that they were talking about? It's only recently that I understood this. What they mean is that we try and pack too much into the day. We pack 2 days worth of things into 1 day. We see others around us and create unnecessary expectations and pack our own days with the feeling of not doing enough. And as your habit coach, I want you to live a full life and a beautiful life. A beautiful life is a life where you can treasure and cherish each moment, where you fully experience each moment without looking for what's next. And this realization happened to me on my last trip to Goa, and hence I wanted to share it with you. As a habit, what I started doing was moving slowly. If I reached for a bottle to drink the water, I would allow myself to hold the bottle, feel it on my fingers. While walking to the restaurant, I would walk slowly, experiencing the smell of the air, the sun on my face, the sand underneath my feet. I took my watch off my wrist and put it in the cupboard. It was hard to do, it was hard to slow down, but it was essential. The truth is that we don't have to come to Goa to experience it. And that's the point I want to make. We can experience this at home and work as well. For when the time for action is there and commitments are there, be fully focused and fast. But the rest of the time, learn to slow down and relax. Experience the Susegad life. So your super simple habit starts by just slowing down your movements and allowing yourself to experience fully what you're doing. Allowing yourself to be conscious of the world around you. And instead of living life in a daze, a hurry, let go of the fast life when you don't need to be fast. Let your inner go in out. So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, Don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashtin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME 180. That's Awesome 180.
Hey everybody, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus is joined by two youth leaders from the United Nations We the Change campaign, Akhilesh Anil Kumar and Garvita Gulhati. They talk about why plastic and water are the major issues that need attention immediately. On the Wire Talks, author and journalist Pallavi Iyer tells Siddharth about her latest book, Orientin, an Indian in Japan. On KBCD, we meet entrepreneur Manish Vyas, who talks to Farhad and Sunitra about the world of queer-owned businesses and the challenges they face. On Tere Mere Raste, Keshav takes us to India's biggest man-made lake, Bhopal Tal. And on Yuddha, we discuss how Akbar's fury led to creating a world-changing empire for the Mughals. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of our others for that matter, please do tell a friend. We really appreciate you spreading this. Word of mouth helps a lot. And finally, this week, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quarter, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Slay Coffee, and Intel. We really appreciate the support.
Do you wonder why China does the things that it does? Or want to know how we could improve online privacy? Or perhaps you're thinking about how we can kickstart India's economy. If you'd like to search for the answers to such questions, check out All Things Policy, a daily public policy podcast that covers everything from employment figures to aircraft carriers. Tune in from Monday to Friday for new episodes and fresh takes.